What up guys, Mr. ADK here, and I wish I did this video before I fixed the problem. For about 2-3 months now, I've been having problems with these running boards. They would freeze, they would not go down all the way, they would lock up, and they would not work all the time. And literally, I just fixed the problem with a $6 bottle of penetrating oil. Literally, I have fixed the problem. I am so excited. And I'll show you in a minute what I did. Look at that, works. All right, so if you live in the salt belt of the country like I do, what happens is these things right here, they lose friction. I mean, they get friction because there's not enough oil. So basically what you need to do is you need to clean them with a brush, get some compressed air, get all the junk and stuff out of it. And literally, all I did was I took this and I sprayed it. Let it sit for a few minutes, and then you open and close the door. And there you go. It works. Holy crap. I just saved myself some money. All right, guys, take care.